is Fratelli, an association run by the Maris and the Lasalian brothers for the refugees, the displaced, and the vulnerable, where the main goal is to prepare children so they can go to school. To do so, we have two socio-educational centers, offering educational programs according to the children's needs. And to help them fully develop, we also offer recreational programs and psychosocial support. Additionally, we have training programs for the youth and adults to help them gain skills to have more opportunities in life, like English, technology, sewing, and cooking. We work under the values of justice, peace, fraternity, and hope. This is Fratelli.